Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by using the Parent Device and Family Link app. Open it now. Once done, tap the child's profile so you can control supervision settings. Make sure the child's device is unlocked and online because many changes require device confirmation. You need your Google password or Family Link PIN to authorize removal, so enter it when prompted. Doing this upfront avoids interruptions and explains why we must do changes from the supervising account rather than the child device. Next, in the Family Link app, choose the child account and go to Manage Settings, then Account Info. This is where supervision controls live. Tap Stop Supervision and follow the verification flows. You'll enter your password and approve changes. Make sure the child device is present because it often shows a confirmation dialog you must accept there. Without that, the stop won't complete. If you don't see the option, update Family Link on both devices, then try again to ensure compatibility and successful removal. To finish, open Settings on the child device, go to Accounts, select the Google account and choose Remove Account to sign out fully. Once supervision is stopped and the account removed, sign back in only if desired or perform a factory reset after backing up data to clear lingering links. If removal fails, update Google Play Services and Family Link, ensure both devices are online, then repeat. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to check for app updates and network connectivity before contacting Google support for account escalation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.